2 rod for me, 3 rods for Noi, 2 rods for Kay. Oh yeah, by the way, this is Saturday morning. It was cold as heck this morning. I got my lucky charm over there. We'll see if she can do it. The thing is massive. Look at the size of that bluegill. That's the size of a white bass. Man, that thing almost pulled it out. You got some?
It's heavy, yeah. She got some. Yeah, she got some.
Oh, she got. Pull that sucker in. Pull it in quick before it gets stuck.
Yeah.
All right. See, lucky charm. Lucky charm, lucky charm.
Yellow. That's big yellow. Yellow.
That's the one Kay lost. Your hook is on the pole. Look at it. Yellow. Oh, yellow. Come on, honey. Look at it. He's showing you off, honey.
Well, he fish more than I do. I once in the blue moon. I don't come off there like
Look at him. The fish master.
he comes almost every weekend.
Which do you prefer?
Water. That's the wrong.
Then beer for me.
I'll get it in a minute. Get out your way.
Take your time. Take your time. Oh, see that lovely sound of opening beer? Oh, that's ice cold. Oh, it's on there. It's on there. Oh, that's a big one.
Yellow, man. Yellow attack. It's good. Yellow. I like yellow. You can make a lot. You make fry, you make bun. Everything.
Oh, that's a fat one, man. Well, I'm not catching any fish, so I might as well pick up trash. Look at all this trash. It's sad. How many crappie you catch? You caught one crappie?
I don't know what's going on. It's not catfish. Catfish.
Ooh, double action.
Double action.
Bring it in quick.
Quick. Oh, cat. Big cat now.
Oh, nice blue. Go, get rod number 1.
Wow. Rod number 1. You're on. Yellow. Yellow.
Ooh, look at that big yellow. What's wrong with us, honey?
Damn, when they hit the same time, what the hell?
It's a baby.
Yep, you're still on. Trust me.
Oh yeah, something is on there.
Look, I'm on too.
Yeah, it's a cat.
Double. Double up, baby. Woo, yeah. So you guarantee you're on.
Oh, the hook just came off.
Oh,
What you doing? You catch any fish? How many?
I do 10 maybe.
Oh, you did 10 cats?
Huh?
That's not bad.
Yeah, why? You're not biting over there?
Nothing.
What did no I catch yellow bass?
Both.
You caught a lot? I got one.
Look at all the catfish you got. A lot of blue cats, huh?
Yeah.
All right, show me some live action.
Oh, shit. Catfish. Mark and Kay, come on down. Got a lot of spot over here.
No, we're not fishing no more.
What? Catfish. Here. Head bait, head bait. Look at me.
No, it's a blue. They do the circle dance.
Yeah. That's good size right here, too.
Yeah, that's a good size.
Looking nice. Oh, Kay, look at this one, Kay.
Yeah, you better bring it up before you lose it.
Hey, look at this one, Kay.
Oh, that's a big one.
Oh, shit. I lose it.
Oh no!